Hello guys, I'm back. This is the part 2 of summarizing what I learned on CWTS. But again, I'm Jade Pei, 19 years old, from BS Infotech Programming, Section 1A. Goal of NSTP, the transformation of the youth into responsible citizens who embody the values of being God-fearing, patriotic, humane, and environmentally conscious, fostering both local and national development. The goal of the National Service Training Program, which is transform the youth into responsible citizens. The citizen should embody such as God-fearing, because we are respectful of religious belief and moral principles. Patriotic, having a strong for and dedication to our country. Humane, showing a compassion and kindness towards others. Environmentally conscious, aware of, and concerned about protecting the environment. This transformation aims to foster both local and national development. Vision of CWTS, in alignment with SLSU commitment to excellence, innovation, and societal transformation. The NSTP's office should be a leading center of civic consciousness and defense preparedness, promoting service, patriotism, and community development among the youth. The vision of the NSTP, or National Service Training Program office, in alignment with SLSU commitment to excellence, innovation, and societal transformation. Civic consciousness, awareness of one's roles as citizen, responsibilities to the community. Defense preparedness, training and readiness to respond an emergency and contribute to our national defense. Service, dedication to helping others. Patriotism, like I said, love for and devotion to one country. Community development, efforts and to improve the equality of life and well-being community. This vision is focused on youth and their development in these key areas. Mission of CWTS. The SLSU NSTP office shall develop well-rounded, socially responsible, and patriotic individual through comprehensive training programs that enhance civic consciousness, defense, preparedness, and active participation in community service and public affairs. The SLSU NSTP is committed to promoting the physical, moral, spiritual, intellectual, and social well-being of students while instilling the values of patriotism, nationalism, and voluntarism. The mission of SLSU Southern Leyte NSTP. The mission is to develop well-rounded, social, responsible, and patriotic individuals through comprehensive training programs. This program aims to enhance civic consciousness, defense preparedness, active participation. The SLSU NSTP is committed to promoting the physical and moral spiritual intellectual and social well-being student while instilling the value of patriotism, nationalism, voluntarism. Objectives. General objectives. 1. 1. Cultivate a deep sense of civic consciousness and patriotism among students. 2. Enhance student engagement in community service and development projects. 3. Prepare students for national defense and emergency preparedness. 4. Develop a well-trained, organized, and motivated pool of individuals. 5. Equip students with skills and knowledge for lifelong learning, critical thinking, and active participation, national development. List the specific objectives for the Civic Welfare Training Service. Components of program like the NSTP. 1. Engage students in projects that enhance community welfare. Focus on areas such as health, education, environment, entrepreneurship, safe recreation, and social service. Apply academic knowledge. 2. Apply academic knowledge to real-world community challenges, fostering practical skills and civic responsibility. 3. Build partnership with local organizations and community to identify needs and implement impactful projects. In essence, CWS aims to connect student academic learning with practical community service, fostering their development as a response and engaged citizens. Specific objectives for Civic Welfare Training Service, or CWTS. 1. Engage students in projects that enhance community welfare, focusing on health, education, environment, entrepreneurship, safety, recreation, and social services. 2. Apply the academic knowledge to real-world community challenges, fostering practical skills and civic responsibility. 3. Building partnership with local organizations and communities to identify needs and implement impactful projects. Expected program outcomes for graduates of a program like the NSTP. Upon completion, graduates should exhibit a strong program outcomes. The graduates of the program shall 1. Exhibit a strong sense of civic duty, actively participate in community initiatives, and display a deep commitment to national pride and patriotism. 2. Effectively engage in community service and develop projects, apply their knowledge and skills to address societal challenges, and contribute to the betterment of local communities. 3. Be equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge to respond effectively to national defense requirements and emergencies, ensuring readiness and resilience in the time of crisis. 4. Be well trained, organized, and motivated, capable of working collaboratively in diverse teams to achieve among goals. 5. Engage in lifelong learning, apply critical thinking, and actively participate in initiatives that promotes national development, ensuring their continued growth as responsible and productive citizens. This slide presents a course outline, detailed activities, topics, and assessment tools. Here's a breakdown. Course outline, activities and topic, assessment tools. Activities topics: citizenship training, youth moral and spiritual. Assessment tools: group activity, make video clips on the 4 basic value of a Filipino. enhancement, self-awareness and values development, leadership training, folding the national flag partner, group activity, create an infographic design of good citizen in a whole cartolina and discuss. Detailed activities, topic, and assessment tools. Here's a breakdown. This outline seems to be designed for a program focused on developing civic responsibility, moral values, and leadership skills among youth. Okay, I will explain this slide. It shows a course outline with activities and topics and assessment tools focusing on safety and awareness. This slide describes the grading system for the NSTP with the following key points. Numerical grades, not included in GWA, attendance policy, rating components. In summary, while NSTP uses numerical grades, it doesn't affect the overall academic standing, but in a mandatory requirement for graduation, with attendance being critical factor. This slide provides a detailed breakdown of the grading system for NSTP CWTS. Include the components of their corresponding weights for both the midterm and final term. Components midterm final term, like I said, you can pause the video so you can read and you can see the pictures. This slide is the list of rules and regulations for a class or training session likely related to the NSTP CWT program. Attendance, photography, cell phone, tardiness, movement, and snacks. In essence, the rules emphasize punctuality, attentiveness, and respect for the learning environment. So we need to follow these rules to graduate in SLSU. This slide describes the approach of instruction and activities within a program, likely the NSTP CWTS. Design instructors. Each topic will be assigned to be designated instructors. Coordination with other agency, enhanced learning. In essence, a program utilizes a structured approach with assigned instructors and collaborative activity with external agency to maximize the learning experience and engagement of students. This is the attendance policy. Regular attendance. All students are required to attend classes regularly every Saturday. Excuse absence. Students may be excused for illness or other valid reason, but we need to present a medical certificate. 3 unexcused absences. Any student with 3 unexcused absences must obtain an excuse slip from the guidance. 3. Habitual tardiness. Tardiness is defined as accumulating 5 instances of being late within 2 consecutive months. In summary, students need to be mindful of both their absence and tardiness, as exceeding the limits for their can lead to being dropped from the class or facing disciplinary action.